Contactless key moments. Once you have added your Digital Key Plus or have accepted a shared Digital Key Plus, you can use your compatible iPhone and Apple Watch to unlock, lock, and start your BMW without taking it out of your bag. For touchless openings, make sure you have Bluetooth activated on your phone. The function Passive Entry is on per default in your Apple Wallet. Touchless opening also needs to be activated in the car. Go to Menu, Doors and Windows, and choose Unlock when approaching. You can also set your car to automatically lock when walking away. With your iPhone and Apple Watch, you can lock and unlock the car and open the trunk of your car when you're close by, or just check on the current status of the doors and your trunk. Unlock on approach might not be possible after the car has been standing still for several days in order to save battery. In this case, just pull the door handle to wake up the vehicle and again to unlock. If your iPhone runs out of battery, simply hold it to the door handle to unlock the vehicle and place it in the smartphone tray to start the engine. For more, watch the BMW Digital Key how-to video. In case you want to hand over the digital key card for a service appointment, make sure to bring a physical key with you. This is needed to transfer the saved condition-based service data to the dealer system. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.